student? How are you today? Okay, what is your name? How old are you? Okay, what is your job? Where do you study English? Okay, so how do you go to school?
I go to school by school bus.
Okay, what is your teacher name?
My teacher name is Rika.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Monday, Kamyun, Maribor district, Bukit Chinaporoven, and Kamyun.
Okay, what is your mother name?
My mother name is Chao.
What is your father name?
My father name is Long.
Okay, good job. So, who is your best friend?
My best friend
Is?
Lisa.
Okay, good job. So, Siêu Mấy, can you tell me about farm animals?
Hello teacher, hello everybody. My name is Elizabeth and I'm 7 years old. I'm a student of Everett International School. Before I start my presentation, let me pay a respect to Mr. Concom, the president of Everett International School. Star teacher and all the friends that come in about farm animals. So let's listen to my topic. How we all sleep. This is a dustbin in the car. This is a pig. It lives in the sty. This is a sheep. Sheep live.
Another? Okay, thank you.